Birthday ng baby ko today. So, as a little treat, gagawa ko siya ng cake. Happy birthday! Kadiri, tignan. Oh, look at the piping skills. Yeah! Bumili rin ako ng mga pan-toppings. Actually, madami akong binili. Oh my gosh! Hindi niya to pwedeng ubusin. Ang dami na to. Happy birthday, Macy! Yay! Look at your little birthday dress! Ang taba mo, hindi kaya sa'yo. Here's the finished product. Macy, do you like it? Happy birthday! Yay!